Are you free this evening? For a meal, yeah. You are? That's fantastic.
It's David's new friend on the
great
phone.
restaurant.
I think he really likes her.
Brilliant.
It sounds very
Okay, then.
exciting.
See you at 7:30. Bye.
David has a date.
When?
Tonight.
What's her name?
Julia.
Julia? When did you meet her?
2 weeks ago.
Do you mind?
What is it tonight then? Cinema? Theatre? Opera?
A burger?
A restaurant?
Which one?
Hong Kong house? It's Chinese? It's very good.
It's very cheap.
It's very good.
Well, I hope you and
Julia.
Julia have a great time.
I'll come with you. Have a nice evening.
Bye then.
Bye.
This is it.
Oh, Chinese. I had a Chinese meal yesterday. Can we go somewhere else?
Where would you like to go?
I love Italian food. Is there an Italian restaurant near here?
I don't know.
Yes, there is. Marco's. It's about 5 minutes away.
Marco's? Oh, yes, but that's
What's the problem?
nothing.
Come on. It's really lovely here. Thanks, David.
Don't mention it. You know I can speak Italian. Just a little.
Can you? I can't speak any languages. Say something to him.
Good evening, sir. Madam.
Go on.
Buonasera. Potere abbiamo il menù, per favore?
Ah, molto bene, signore. Vuole vedere la lista dei vini?
Sorry, can you speak more slowly, please?
Would you like to see the wine list, sir?
Yes, please. Grazie. What would you like to start? The soup looks nice.
I think I'd like the truffles.
Okay, the truffles, and can I have the soup, please?
Sir. Truffles and the soup. And for the main course?
I'd like the lobster.
And I'd like the roast chicken.
To drink?
How about a bottle of champagne?
Sir? The champagne?
Yes, a bottle of champagne. It's hard work, but I like my job. It's very interesting. And I like playing sports at the weekends. Football, tennis. And I like reading, books, magazines.
Really? This is delicious.
Can we have the bill, please?
Certainly, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
What time's your train?
10:30.
10:30? It's 10:30 now.
Oh dear. Can you ring for a taxi?
A taxi.
Thanks for a wonderful evening.
Don't mention it.
Good night.
Night. How much is it so far?
£19.50, sir.
But I only have £20. Do you take credit cards? Visa? American Express?
No,
A check?
sorry. I only take cash, sir. Thank you very much indeed, sir. Good night.
Thanks very much.
So that was David's date with Julia. He got home in time for breakfast.